Hi there! I'm super excited to show you how easy it is to assemble and use your new folding mop set. Before we start, let's make sure all the accessories are in the box. Now let's start assembling. Start by connecting the mop rod and disc. Simply twist them together until there's no gap. Once it's secure, attach the mop pad to the base. Next, let's set up the bucket. Take the clean and dry parts and align the round holes with the 4 slots on the bucket. Make sure everything fits perfectly. Now lock it in place. Rotate the parts until the cleaning brush catches fully into the bucket catch. Open the folding bucket, and that's it. Both your mop and bucket are ready. Fill the bucket with water, making sure it's just over the bristles. Remember not to overfill. Now insert the mop head vertically into the raised section of the bucket. You'll hear a click, which means it's securely in place. When you start cleaning, unlock the handle. Push the handle up and down a few times to scrub the mop pad clean. It's that convenient. After cleaning, lift the mop head out of the water, keeping it attached to the clean and dry part. Next, spin it dry by pushing the handle up and down again. This quickly removes excess water from the mop pad. Now stretch the mop to its maximum length. Press the mop until the retractable part is hidden by 2 inches. Quickly pull the mop upward and close the lock to use it. When it's all set, cleaning your home has been more easier. Whether it's edges, corners, or under furniture, this mop works like magic. You can even use it on walls, windows, or cars. It's that versatile. Now let's clean the mop and see how well the system cleans. It's perfect. Simply fold the bucket. All finished. Say hello to sparkling clean floors. Clean today, shine tomorrow, and see you next time.